Hello everyone, here is our today one night Chicago tour video. Please sit down and listen to our travel story. Hopefully it will be useful for your future travel trips. Our trip was done a week ago. We drove from Michigan to Chicago, driving time about 5 hours. We left home at 6 a.m. Stopped once to get gas and have breakfast. We arrived at around 10 a.m. in Chicago. The time zone in Chicago and Michigan are different, so please take that into account when traveling to Chicago. Most hotels in Chicago don't have parking, so you have to rent a private parking space. Check-in time is 3 p.m. so we'll park, have lunch, and go for a walk first. Have you been in Chicago before? How many places do you recognize in these videos? Tell me in the comments. Actually, our trip is to meet a friend. He is Vietnamese and is on a business trip about 10 days in the US. So our travel schedule depends on him a lot. We just went sightseeing and experienced some famous places in Chicago. This is a friend we have known since we was in Japan. It must have been about 8 or 9 years. The first day, we visited two museums, ate Chicago-style hot dogs, rented bike and rode around the city and Lake Michigan. Their bike paths around the city, the screens is beautiful. I recommend you try it when you come to Chicago. We rented public bicycles. There are two types of bicycle, regular bicycle and electric bicycle. The rental prices are different. We make a mistake by renting these. There are two options, hourly or full day price. The full day rental is only $18. We rented by the hour. After riding for about 40 minutes, we had to pay about $10 for the regular bike and $23 for the electric bike. If you want to rent a bike, remember to rent it for the whole day to get the discounts. After the bike ride, we bought tickets to visit the Chicago River and Lake Michigan tour. Don't buy separate tickets. They will sell combo tickets for both places at a very cheap price. I suggest you buy both tickets because each place is beautiful in its own way. The price is well worth the trip. For the Chicago River tour, there will be a tour guide who will introduce the screen around the river, but Lake Michigan tour is not.
I have seen the gunmen kill and go free to kill again, and they tell me you are brutal. And my answer is, on the faces of women and children, I have seen the marks of wanton hunger. And having answered so, I turn once again to those who sneer at this my city, and I give them back the sneer. The automobile, as I said, Chicago was born during the age of sail, and it really exploded during the age of rail. And now these are mostly cars, these bridges, these ramps, the stuff we see around us, are people getting from point A to point B inside of a motor vehicle. As far as the trains go, you look at train maps of the United States of America. Even more recent also has some similarly foolish stuff on top. Although they had the Hindenburg, we did not have any Zeppelins at all to this day. Now it's called the Intercontinental Hotel. Hey, what's up, neighbors? In front of us on the right, we're looking at a certified Windy City classic, the big white office building from 1924 with a square clock tower.
The Chicago River tour is about 75 minutes and the Lake Michigan tour is 45 minutes. They sell snacks and drinks on the boat, but you can also bring your own. For me, the 2 trips on the river and on the lake was very special. It was very beautiful and the highlight of our trip. After finishing the Chicago River tour, we went to the hotel to check in. On the way back to the hotel, we stopped by Millennium Park to take pictures with the famous bean, but this place is always crowded. It started getting colder in the evening. We had to change into warmer clothes. It was especially colder on the lake than usual. We chose the time to watch the sunset on the lake, but unfortunately, it was earlier than the weather forecast we checked. But the view is still beautiful, right everyone? Chicago is beautiful at night. Walking and dining on the Chicago River Walk is great. Oktoberfest beer is also delicious. Everyone should try it. Today is day 2. After lunch, we had to drive back to Michigan. Our friend, he's not used to American food, so we will have Thai food for lunch. Curry blah blah. The price and food here are good. We ordered pad Thai, khao soi and curry. Cruise recommend Dunkin donuts to Earth. It was his favorite foods as a kid. We bought some flavor like basic flavor, pumpkin, chocolate. It was really sweet, guy. I could only eat 2. Now we will return to parking lot, take our friend to the train station and say goodbye to Chicago to return to Michigan. Oh, I forgot. The parking lot we rent for the whole day will cost $25. If you want to know more information, please comment below the video. Goodbye, Chicago. We are going back to Michigan. See you soon, Chicago. Thank you everyone for watching and supporting. See you in the next video. Bye!